Hello. Problems related to sleep were associated with people who were around the age of 60 or 65 or more than that. According to the study in 1995, people who were in that age group were facing problems related to sleep and who were complaining insomnia. They had some medical problems, they were taking some medication, and that research was directed in the direction of medical studies about medication, about health issues, and about serious medical conditions. Moving forward, around 2002, most of the adults were complaining this problem, and that figure was around 30% according to that study. Moving a little forward, around 2011 and 12, most of the teenagers who used to play video games were complaining about sleeping disorder, and that number was alarmingly high, and that was around 72% of people who used to play video games and who used to spend time on computers on electronic gadgets in 2011. They were complaining the problem of insomnia or sleeping disorders. Moving a little forward, in 2015, most of the young kids were complaining this issue, and that number was around 20 to 40% of children were complaining this issue of sleeping disorder, and some were not even able to convey it properly. Obviously their parents were talking about this problem, that they are facing this problem. Moving forward, in today's time, on average 35 to 40% in all age groups, people are facing this problem. People are vulnerable to this issue. Most of the people are aware about it, and most of the people are completely unaware about the severity of this problem. In the next lesson, we will talk about causes and effects and more problems related to insomnia. See you next time.